What's up, guys? Today I got my GoPro 11, so we are out at my uncle's pond. Right now we're going to start with some top water, this on the bank, and maybe in a few, if it doesn't rain, we'll bring out the boat. But we checked the forecast and it's going to rain. That's all said. I'll go ahead and fish down here for a few. Gotta undo our bait. Smells pretty weird. Let's just check out the whopper. Oh, whopper popper looking amazing. In action. Making our way down to the best spot. See that little duck? Alright, we made it to the boat. Probably gonna hit up this side first and make our way around the pond with the whopper popper. But yeah, whopper popper doesn't work. We're probably gonna throw on some soft plastics. Wacky Worm, Senko, Texas Rig, who knows. Whatever catches bass. Fishing. Thinking a big one would have smashed it. Alright, let's move back. We're getting a little bit close to... You know what? I'll update you guys when I get a fish. Alright, guys. This was a guy who was either very small and very unexpected. Yeah, super tiny. Alright, come here. First one of the day on the Texas rigged Senko. Caught him right over there on that edge. I don't want him to cut my foot with his flippers. Sorry, you, man. This tiny little guy. Probably around not even 12. This is super small. Actually, no, this is a 10-pounder. So, alright guys, we just got this 10-pounder. About to release him. Ooh, beautiful 10-pounder. Alright, let's get out of this grass. Alright, horrible cast. We're not giving that a chance. Alright, this wind is hitting me in a corner and I just had a really good cast. I'm on. Oh, I told y'all. Dude, I told you I had a perfect cast, but is that the same fish? Oh my god. Frick, this is so hard. Oh, he's jumping. Oh, feisty guy jumping. Oh, it's the same fish, I think. I could tell because he had a... Oh wow, he's very... Wait, let's see if it's the same fish. The other one was bleeding. Are they bedding? Because all these things are small. Yeah, it's not the same fish. God dang. Got this little guy. My hand, probably a little bit bigger than my hand. You really want to bite me like that? Oh wait, his hook came out from biting. Well, never mind, thank you. Like, his mouth isn't even the size of my thumb. Insane. Let's get this 11-pounder released. Why? Why is my line doing this? Oh, that's why. Oh, I'm on. Bro, just scooped it while I was sitting on the bottom. Another baby, bro. Look at this. What is with these babies, man? Like, come on. I might just have to start leaving it on the bottom. Maybe Mama will scoop it. Another one of these little trash ones. Just get out of my pond. Good grief. I mean, all the things are right. It's like, this is probably gonna be the last cast of the video. If I don't catch fish, it sucks. So yeah, probably gonna end it off here. All right, see you guys later. That's wraps. Peace.